Game 5 of 6 na tayo mga kabalen. And you're still watching Delta Cup. Ako po yung ko, Ryan Paro. Live na live po dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Ang magkalaban ngayon, it's APALIT versus MAGALANG. So we expect that this can be a dogfight because both teams, lalo-lalo yung APALIT, nagkakaroon lang silang problema sa kanilang turnovers. MAGALANG, on the inside presence, magaling silang bumax out and they're one of the top 3 in rebounds. And we'll show you shortly yung ating mga first 5 on both teams. Direct, if we can have it right now. But of course, let me review the results mamaya. First 5 for Magalang, we have Manaloto, Licap, Dizon, Guevara, and David. For APALIT, we have Silvestre, Macabagal, Masibag, Garcia, and Danting. Mga kaibigan, I need to catch my breath. After that, we'll start the game. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup. Okay, we're moments away to start this ball game. At of course, ang ating production team dito sa Delta Cup would like to greet from Aldwin, Happy Mansari, kay Karen Molano. Is that right? Karen Molano, tama ba yan, Dek? Of course, ewan ko kung in relation ito kay Renato Molano at si Balong. APALIT wearing in orange, Magalang wearing in white. This is now game 5 of 6 of our Delta Cup. Ka-arrive lang ng ating Pampanga Junior Lanterns. At kasama doon si Deputy Commissioner Totoy Marquez. And of course, yung technician ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center na si Alan ay kararating lang. So mamaya ayusin ni Alan yung shot lock sa bandang court ng Magalang. Ano? Kaya nga itong mga referees natin ay ino-orient yung mga tawa nila na for the meantime, ang shot clock, titingin sila sa kabila. And also instructing other players na hindi pwede yung mga t-shirt na dark. Susot ka ng light, hindi pwede. Dapat talaga t-shirt. Jersey shirt only. So hindi po allowed yan sa ating torneo for what we call the dress code uniforms. All right, we're seconds away of opening this game for you. And there's the jump. First possession para sa nakaputi ng Magalang. From the baseline, we have this drop pass. Nicely done for Magalang. Mamaya babatiin din natin yung ating mga distinguished guest. Of course, in attendance today, of course, the team manager of Magalang is here. Councilor Norman Lacson, and the assistant coach, Barangay Captain Wang Yu David. Later on, i-focus natin sa camera para for, para na-recognize natin sila, the new officials, especially si Barangay Captain. Congratulations on winning on the last barangay elections. Frontal assault to the basket, no. Binigay kay Dizon. Open shot. Yes, sir. Leisurely taking that shot to the delight of the crowd here in BREN Convention. Hoy! Tira 3 yun, tas may foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Kung anong nangyari doon sa huling tira na yon, ayon. Oo, hinabot, sumabit, foul. Kitang-kita sa slow-mo replay. First free throw is good. One more free throw. Three free throws made. All free throws made para sa APALIT. It's now 4-3. 8 minutes and 55 remaining the first quarter. This is game 5 of 6 of our Delta Cup. And we have a foul inside. And look at the crowd. We're really delighted how Dizon can exploit inside the paint. Tingnan natin sa replay kung ano nangyari. Oh, kinakatawa, no? Oh. Inbound. Bone-crunching pick. Shot clock down to 12 seconds. Here's the baseline drive. Tough angle. No soak. Here's Dizon. Pass to his teammate. Here's the spin by David. Wala. And we'll go back to APALIT. Ito na fast break ng APALIT. From the baseline. Bad pass. And now Magalang will get back the possession. Here's Dizon again. Pounding his way. Nilabas. 3-point shot. Wala. And APALIT, their possession goes astray as they have a turnover. Three-point shot from the far. Wala. Fast break for APALIT. Bottle up. Ayun. Nabitawan. Magalang has it. Still in the backcourt. Nice back dribble. And he lost it. Ah, nicely done. Layup is good. No foul. Play continues. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Kita mo naman yun. No? Finger. Whoa. Nice. Back to live action. 10 seconds to shoot. Inside. Down to 5 seconds. Here's the attack. To the rack. It got it. Jump shot for 3. And there's a foul. There's a substitution now for APALIT. .750 remaining the first quarter. It's the inbound from the baseline. Thought about it. There's a pick. 15-footer on its way. No. Put back. Still no soak. Tap it to his teammate. Ito na ang Magalang on the run. Here's the pass break finish. Not quite. And they lost it. Bad pass. Taken away. There's a foul before that. No basket. 6-5 is the count. Substitution now. All right, possession now for Magalang. 4 corner offense. Tight pass outside. Shot clock at 5. 3 to shoot. Ito na ang jumper. Yes. Eight to 5. Approaching 6 minutes ating first quarter, mga kabalen. Game 5 of 6. That's a clear stepping. Malino pa sa sikat ng araw yon. Stepping talaga. In the meantime, 5:55. Low post play. Mr. Extra Rice o Pampanga. Hindi pumasok. Bobelga, if you're watching, meron ka ng kapatid. 3-point shot. Wala. Ito na, fast break. Going all the way. That's too strong. Counter fast break for APALIT. Binangga ni Dizon. Almost lost. Inside pass. He's free. Why did it pass to Liban na siya? That's not so IQ play there. And number 22 was called for traveling. 8-5 Magalang. Five minutes. 10 to shoot. Here's a fake. 17-footer. Yes. You know, Magalang is a team that has cruise control. Nakita natin yung may mga plays talaga sila sa mga bigs nila. And so far, they have a 5-point lead. APALIT wants to run, but they can't run. That's not their play on deliberate upcourt offense. The second case of traveling. Dalawang traveling errors na. Ten to 5. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Hang time move! Ooh, that could have brought the house down if he made that one. Touch pass. Ito, yan ang fast break ng APALIT na hinahanap natin. First bucket of the fast break by APALIT. 10 to 7. 10-7 is their count. Spins, turns. Tough luck. Ito na ang APALIT. Tumatakbo na naman sila. And that basket will not count. There's a foul before that. Time substitution. Okay, meron tayong timeout on the floor. Magalang calls time with 3 minutes and 50 remaining. 3 minutes and 50 seconds in the first quarter. 10-7. Magalang up by 3. Ito sa ating Delta Cup game. 5 of 6. My name is Juan Paro. Set up job ngayon ng APALIT. Shot clock a problem now. 9 seconds. He drives hard. Block. Inside present. 5 to shoot. They need to put it up. Miss. Third serving for APALIT. And he was fouled. Important free throws now. First is good. Leads down to 2 now. It's good on the second. Okay, we have a sportsmanlike foul. I think we need a review. Direct, let's review that last out of unsportsmanlike foul na tinawag ni referee patag to someone so that we can educate the viewers what happened on that last bit of action. Let's have a replay, Direct. Let's have this. Kung saan nangyaring unsportsmanlike. Okay, here we go. From the rebound, made free throw. Ooh, kitang-kita yun. That's a close fist almost on the belly button. Referee patawag. Yes, let's have a replay. Ito ni mga referees natin. Let's have one more time. Same angle, top view camera. Kita yun eh. Let's have it. Off the free throw. Okay, slow down. Slow down tayo dyan, Direct. Slow down, slow down. Okay, balik natin. Sige, balik natin. Okay, ayan ha. From the free throw. Pagkapasok. Ayun, this one. Can we have it on the doon sa baseline? Let's have it on another camera view angle, baseline. Okay, yan. Tingnan natin ha. Pagkapasok. Kita ba? Hindi, di kita dito eh. Okay, one more replay. Top view camera, isa pa. One more time. Top view camera uli. Okay. Okay, here's the shot. Okay, Direct, slow down tayo. Pagkapasok, meron ng mga incursions yan. Slow it down. And then okay. Thank you. The referees will decide. Thank you, Direct, for the replay. The referees will decide the call. The referees will go now to the table official, then they will decide what will be the outcome. They can upgrade it to unspo or they can downgrade it with a foul. So, medyo hindi conclusive eh. It is just an unspo foul. So, it's not... so, it will be an unspo foul. There will be 2 free throws plus possession on number 25. It's inconclusive. So, the referee's call will stick. Free throw. One more serving. It's good. Okay, with 3 minutes and 22 seconds, they will reset the shot clock to 14 para sa APALIT. And they are now lead by 1. shot clock at 10 seconds. Here's a 3-point shot. Air ball. Tuloy ang shot clock. Down to 5. They need to put it up. Hindi tumama sa iron. Here we go. Triple B. Tad short. Tumama. Play continues. 3 minutes remaining in this first quarter. And this time, Magalang has the case of traveling. Eleven to 10. There's a foul. So Magalang in penalty situation, excuse me. 2 free throws for the offended party. First free throw is good. A split. APALIT getting the offensive rebound. Now APALIT just slowly learning the value of half-court game. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, that's a long one. Doesn't go. Fresh 14 for APALIT once again. They are loading over to the offensive boards. Fadeaway shot. It rattles out. And the ball stays. No, it's going to be Magalang on the fast break. It is a goaltending basket count. Basket counts. And look at the crowd here at the BREN Convention Center. 2:38 remaining. Yes, kita-kita sa slow-mo replay. Talagang goaltending yon. Goaltending. 2:29 left. Another 3-point shot by Santos. Got it. Got it. 15 to 12. It's a 3-point lead for APALIT. 2 minutes and 17 remaining in the first quarter. Corner. He will drive. Lateral assault. Intercepted. This is the fast break finish that we're looking for. God. Oh! There is a hit. There is a hit. Under 2 minutes. Let's see that again on the replay. Ooh! May foul. So that's a foul. Penalty situation for APALIT. So it's going to be 2 free throws. And one more free throw. The first free throw is good. And the big guy will dispatch. Second free throw is no good. And it's going to be a foul against Magalang. Ball possession stays with APALIT. Penalty situation once again. That's a post yun. Kitang-kita, that's a post yun. Tinula. Pero may konting arte, no? Pero it can be conclusive. Now the big guy is back in the game. First free throw is good. The reason why APALIT is now up by 7 because of the free throws, huh? Now on the second, they still got the basketball, and that is gonna be offensive foul. Very, very clear on that. Action-packed ball game. Game 5 of 7. Game 5 of 6, rather. Boom. Talaga tinamaan. Offensive foul. Minute and 45. Drive inside the paint. Sapol! Counter steal by Magalang. Sidestep. On the left flank. Inside. No incursion. Santos on the break. Here's the bounce pass. Santos lost it. (19-12) now, 7-point lead for APALIT. A minute and 16 remaining sa ating first quarter. This is game 5 of 6 of our Delta Cup. Powered by Pampanga Information Office and Sinagliga Asia. Mentis from the corner. Jumper. Wala. The big boy. The bounce pass. And the layup is no good. 19-12 APALIT. Corner flip, three-pointer. Rims out. Backs out. It's Magalang. Fast break. He will go all the way. Reverse. No soak that time. On the other end, he also missed the layup. Both teams missing layups. He will try again. He bungled that opportunity. Slow down for APALIT. About 4-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock. It's going to be a bump foul on Dizon. It will be 2 free throws. That's his first foul. Hindi siya just shrug it off, ha? Panay kantsaw ang APALIT fans sa kanya, pero si Dizon ay natawa na lang. He's a very good looking guy. Let's see that's replay. Boom! Aparador ang binangga. First free throw now for APALIT. It's a 7-point lead. And it's a miss. One more free throw. Miss both. Rebound, number 9. He will score. 5 seconds remaining. Last shot time. 3 seconds. They need to put it up. Here's Magalang. 1 second to go. The quarter is over. APALIT 21, Magalang 12. Direct, let's take a look at some of the highlights and sidelights of this first quarter. We're in APALIT with a 9-point lead, 21-12. Tingnan natin direct. Ito yung isa. From the turnover, nakakuha sila ng fast break finish. Isa pa, meron pa tayong highlight. Yan, para naman sa Magalang. Inside incursion. Ginawa yan ng maganda nito. Those are the highlights. Second quarter coming up. You're watching Delta Cup. Okay, welcome po sa ating second quarter. APALIT versus Magalang. APALIT up by 9, 21-12. This is Delta Cup, game 5 of 6. Second quarter actions underway. Yung tira na yan over the backboard. My name is Ryan Powell doing the call. Live po sa San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Magalang in white, APALIT in orange. Low post play. Naantala, nagawan. Ito na yung APALIT fast break. 5 of them running and they scoring. On the other end of the floor, counter fast break for Magalang. That will not happen because they played a great transition defense on the other end of the court. (23-12). The lead is 11. Here is APALIT. He's sporting like a Miracle Bulls jersey, huh? Jumper. Ball possession now for Magalang. 11-point hold. Ang layo ng 3-point shot na to. Ill-advised shot. No rebounders on that. And APALIT will turn its fluid motion on the fast break. He forced that one. That will be Magalang ball. (23-12), 8 minutes and 45 second quarter. 3-point shot. Ayaw talaga. Ito na si Dizon. Block from behind. He gets it right back. And he won't be denied. Eight 23-14. Inside incursion. Ayaw, lumabas. And Magalang has the basketball now. 8:15 remaining. Shot won't work. Two players scoring on the floor. 3-point shot won't work for APALIT. Ito na tumatakbo ang Magalang. 4-on-2 situation. They did not capitalize. Backbreaker there, but anyway, he made a tough fall away. At unti-unti na Magalang. Tapos ang lamang sa pito ang APALIT. We have a timeout. (23-16). Time down to 7 minutes and 38 seconds sa ating second quarter. Nagbabalik po ang aksyon dito sa San Fernando City, Pampanga para sa Delta Cup. Ryan para po, APALIT versus Magalang. APALIT with a 7-point lead. Malayong 3. Hindi pasok. Baseline. Masalahan ang pintuan. 7:19 to go. Second quarter. Jumper on its way. Yeah! Lucky bounce. (23-18). 7 minutes remaining for second quarter action. Low post play. Maneuvers. Can't make it. Top pick sa labas. Takes a 3. Air ball. Stop and pop 3. It doesn't drop. 6:45 second quarter. It's a 5-point lead now for APALIT. Jump shot. Free throw. It's good. Nice pump fake. Almost lost the handle. I thought 3-point shot. Right corner. Swak na swak. And Guevara lights it up. He has 5 points in the second quarter. 6 and 10 in the second. 3-point shot for APALIT. That time is offline. That's a long shot. Wow! Guevara, 8 points. He likes that right spot, huh? Spot up shooter ito. Don't look now. The lead is just down to 1. Walang panagot ang APALIT. They suddenly lost his team at a good first quarter. A block shot from the fast break. Eto, 3-point shot. He will not take it. Bigger decent on him. Wants to dare him. But he don't. Shot like a problem. And there is a tight pass. Let's see that again in replay. Oh, yun, tapik. Could have been a good pass. All right. From the corner. Wow, APALIT has been on a sour grape at late. They missed the last 5 shots. That's the 6th scoring drought for APALIT, ha? Scoring drought. Ito, pagkakataon na Magalang na makalamang for the very first time since the first quarter. They know! Lamang na Magalang! Lamang na Magalang. Manaloto with an N1 play. Let's see this in slow-mo. Great attack. .53 remaining in the second. Suddenly, Magalang is on the driver's seat in this first half. Oh, Guevara almost getting the offensive rebound. Takbo ngayon ng APALIT, the sidestep, the layup, too strong. Magalang controls it. Jumper. APALIT has it again. Fast break. Bucket. It's a basket for APALIT. (27-26). Nadami na baba ang APALIT ng bola. Oh! Costly error. A costly error. One-point lead for APALIT. Inside incursion, sapal. Pero sabi ng referee, sabit, may foul si Macapagal. Let's see this replay. Saan ba sumabit siya? Ay, oo, sabit sa ulo. Sabit sa ulo si Macapagal. So, 2 free throws for the offended party. Makes it tied at 27. (27 all). Tied at 27. 3-point shot. No rebound. 3:48 remaining. Back dribbles it. Bitin. Nakakaramdam na rin ang pagod ng APALIT on the fast break. Let's see kung makakabawi sila ngayon. Nice break. Oh, nice pass. Oh, mintis. That breaks the heart of the APALIT fans here in GUIAO. Hang time. Wala. High-octane offense for both squads. At merong foul na ipinito ang referee. Ito, tinan natin yung replay na to. Pagkatapos ng mintis, on the fast break, ayun, pinigilan. Oh, may foul. Mintis na naman ang APALIT. That's, wow, the shooting is really going to the low end. 3:09 remaining in the second quarter. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Manalang. Goes left. He drops it up. Kanampala. Naku, malakas ang tira. Santos, what a nice pass! Pinpoint passing. Santos is the only guy who's been consistent for APALIT. Basket by Garcia. It's a 2-point lead for APALIT. 29-27, balik tayong aksyon dito sa BREN Convention Center. Binabati ko yung venue announcer dyan sa UNTV Cup. You have every await. I will see you on Thursday, ha? 29-27, 2:46 remaining in the second quarter. Dikit ang ating laban. Ako pong inilingkod Ryan Paro doing the call para sa ating Delta Cup. Baseline drive. Natapig. Oy! Tinamaan ako! Hindi nakatingin si Director. 2:35 remaining sa ating first half. Here's the baseline drive by Guevara. Sapal! Especial. Direct, I want to see that. A block party. One more time, please. Let's look at it in slow-mo. Huli ka! Huli ka! In the meantime, back to live action. The bid with offensive rebound. The put back inside the paint didn't pay off. There's a foul. Here's the offensive rebound. Pump fake. Yun, sabit. May foul. There's the 2 free throws now for Magalang. They missed. (29 to 27). 29 to 28. Jump shot on its way. A failure for APALIT for the 3-point arc, but not on the offensive rebound by this guy who just scored a basket para sa APALIT sa loob, giving them a little bit of cushion. A 3-point lead. 2 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Ito na Magalang. May tanga ng bola. They have 11 seconds on the shot clock. They want to clear out. Here it comes. Manalang now on the long pass inside. Quick passing now. 3-point shot on its way. Bullseye for Estavo. .139 remaining sa ating first half of action. Cross court. Minute and a half remaining. Shot clock winding down at 10. Here's the 3-point shot attempt. A failure. Oh, he's wide open for that basket. No token resistance of defense being put up by the white shirts of Magalang, giving them a silver platter with a 2-point lead, 33-31. A minute and 15 to go. This is the first half of action. Manalang. Kick out on the left wing. 3-point shot on his way. Failure. Battle for the wheel. Oh, high on the rebound. Santos Minato ang bola para sa APALIT. Good catch. Hang time. Home run. Spectacular. 35-31. It's now the 4-point lead for APALIT. Time down to 52 seconds to go in the first half. Manalang pointing direction to the left side of the court. Almost a turnover there. Ikot ang bola. 13 on the shot clock. 9 to shoot. 35 ticks. One-handed shot, no good. Shot clock is off. Tuloy ang laro. Tuloy. Inside pass. Pump fake. The release. Foul. There's the pump fake. And there's the foul. Alright, free throws now para sa Juan Magalang. They're trailing by 4 points at this stage. And just a basket. A 3-point output. And we're going to have a timeout by APALIT. 22.7 seconds remaining. 35-32. We have a ceasefire. 522.7 seconds remaining para sa APALIT to map out the last play before we end this first half of action. 35-32. Ito na. There is a swinging around. Santos, who's been the hottest scorer for APALIT. 9 seconds remaining before we call this a semester. There's a swipe by Guevara. Here's the fast break. He will challenge Santos face to face. A bit too strong. The putback is good! We're even Steven after 20 minutes of playing time. 35 apiece. Before we go to our halftime break, let's look at some of the highlights of this magnum opus ball game. Let's take a look. One is this instant putback by Santos. For the other one for Magalang, let's see. This fast break finish by Guevara. After the challenge, I'll tip it. Halftime break po tayo. 35 apiece. More Delta Cup after this. We're squared out the count at 35 apiece as we bring you now the first half highlights of this game featuring Magalang and APALIT. Let's take a look at our screens here. One highlight what we have with this brilliant pass inside. Basket there by Manaloto. And on the other hand, a fast break finish. That's how APALIT managed to have a 12-point lead earlier because of their many fast break points. But Magalang keeps the game afloat with those offensive rebounds and putbacks. And another fast break finish there by APALIT by Harlego. Let's take a look at the scorers for both squads. For APALIT, we have Guevara had 8, Manaloto had 8, and Pangilinan had 7. That's for Magalang. And for APALIT, we have Garcia had 9, Danting had 8, and Mirabel have 4. Those are the top scores. In just a few minutes, we'll catch you over and we'll start the second half action. This is Delta Cup. Okay, we're just minutes away. Papaanda rin lang yung LED. Papaanda rin lang para mas maganda ang ating coverage. Andito na yung mga technicians natin. Ayusin lang yung shot clock. Papaanda rin lang yung shot clock natin in just a few moments. Wait lang, wala pa yung shot clock. Hindi pa napapanda rin, oh. Both sides. Wait lang po mga kaibigan, ha? Again, like, share, and subscribe to our social media platforms ng ating Delta Cup. That's the Pampanga Information Office and also si Nagliga Asia. Okay. Alright. Balik na tayo sa third quarter. Naayos lang yung shot clock yung kabila, pero yung shot clock sa kabila gumagana. Bad pass. Ooh. Tama yung isang janitor natin doon. Are they gonna challenge the last? Okay, they will have a coach's challenge. Direct, let's have a replay on the last out of bounds play. There will be a coach's challenge, so let's have a replay on the last bit of action in slow-mo. Yung last out of bounds. Top view camera tayo direct. Yung bago mag out of bounds. Our referees are checking who we got the last possession. Okay, tingnan natin to. Here's the inbound. Here's the pass. Okay. They swing it around. Ito yung pass. Yeah. Alright. The challenge was unsuccessful. Bola pa rin na Magalang. Tied at 35 apiece. Inbound. Oh, nice play. Pero dribble off his foot. Bola pa rin na Magalang. So wala nang challenge ang APALIT. And the last challenge that they have was unsuccessful. Inbound. Drive. Up. Nabitawan. Nabulabog. 3-point shot on its way. Sobra. And APALIT can they get the possession? Hindi. Muntik na matapik, but it will stay with APALIT. Tie game at 35. Cross court. Torres. There's a shove. Lahok. Wala. You know, alam niyo, APALIT hirap na hirap sila sa kanilang half-court game. They're more of a finesse and run and type of game. Mintis doon ang Magalang is a fast break opportunity for APALIT. But they don't have numbers. Oh, it hit in the head. It hit the head. It's a foul on Cueva. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Kung paano natamaan sa ulo. Okay. You'll be the judge on that. Crossover. And that is a turnover. Bounce pass. Low post. Spin move. Nowhere to go. Corner jumper. Kapos. And here's APALIT on the run. Hang time by Santos. Hindi lang pumasok. Nice one-hander there on his teammate. Santos has really some hops, ha? Lamang ang palit ng 2 puntos against Magalang. 37-35. Manaloto. Hang time move. Short. One-handed. Oy! Tumama sa edge ng board at tumama sa shot clock. That's an automatic violation. $15 ticks on the shot clock. 9 on the shot clock. 2-point game. Here's the drive, the drop. Nice layup. Nice play there by Magalang. Finding open man from the baseline. We're tied again at 37. Ito na naman si Santos for 3. He's waxing hot. Oh, this guy is really something. Or rather, it's Danting. That's Danting. Corner 3. And here's the fast break up. Apalit 3-on-2 situation. Can they maximize this? No. Put back. Lost it. Back to Santos. Santos drives. Scores. Again, sa ating mga bisita from Magala. Ito, ano pala ito? Kanina pala ito, ito. Wop. Uy, napachacha si Likap. Likap was called for traveling. So, 42-37. The lead is 5. Santos for 3. Nope. Magalang offensive rebound. Step on a baseline. It goes back to Magalang. Interesting ha. Magalang siya tapos nandun siya sa Apalit team. No? Magalang tas sa Apalit siya naging kasama sa kuponan. Contrasting views ha. 6 minutes and 16 left. Third quarter action. 42-37. Manaloto. Baseline jumper. One more serving. And he pays dividends with that bank shot. Danting drop. Finds an open teammate. Nice play. He found Marquez inside. The lead is 5. Three-point shot. Not short. Apalit with a 5-point lead. That's too fast for his own good. Hindi na nakuha yung bola. Turnover. Five minutes and 27 remaining in this third quarter. Manaloto against 3. Batted away. And here's Apalit. Another fast break opportunity. They won't gonna waste their time. Nothing! Slam dunk! It is a slam dunk by Danting. I want to see the replay direct. And we're gonna see how high Danting flies for Apalit with a slammer jammer. But referee Patawag calls a technical foul on Danting for hanging on to the rim too long. He will be called for technical. Ang sakit naman nun. Sakit naman nun, direct. Slam dunk na, nakatawagan pa ng technical. Mga kaibigan sa Delta Cup, this is the first ever slam dunk that I saw in the entire conference. First dunk belongs to Apalit. And David will trip to the line for a technical free throw for the technical foul on Danting. That's his third personal. And he miss. Napakaingay ng crowd dito sa BREN Convention. Look at this. They're very noisy Apalit fans. Leak up. And the rest of Magalang trailing now by 7. Apalit sensing a avalanche of points. 3-point shot won't work. Apalit now morning on the fast break. The smallest guy on the floor was blocked. Great defensive stance. Nice trail job by Manaloto. Lirek, let's take a look at that. Ang ganda naman chase down yun. Tinan mo, oh. Isa pa. Siguro medyo na, ano tayo. Mamaya, sige, back to live action. Mamaya, i-ano natin yung highlight ngayon. Balik tayo sa action sa BREN GUIAO. APALIT 46, Magalang 39. Passing play inside out. Manaloto fires a 3, short, air ball. And the ball goes out of bounds. It will stay with Magalang. Here's the drive. There's no call. Calapano spins, drops it up, jumper. It's good. Beat the shot clock. 46-41. Time down to 4 minutes and 7. Starting third quarter. Action-packed ball game here. Oh, may tulak. It's a foul against Magalang. That's Kanlapa. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Saan yung tulak ng galing? Ayun, sa pwestuhan. Ayun. Galing ang pushing foul. Here's the low post play. Referee's calling it tight now. Oh! What a block! What a block by Mirabel. Forcing the bid into traveling. Oh, wow. What a smothering block. Calapano. Banging bodies. Manaloto on the outside. The bounce pass, Calapano will score. A block on the defensive end and a basket on an offensive end. They just within a basket. 3-point deficit. Ito na pa, ang dami ng babambola. Ginugulo siya ni Guevara. Bounce pass to Silvestre. Silvestre nagara papasahan. There's a lot of bone crunching picks. Manaloto muntik na matalapon. Jump shot on its way. Wala. Chance now for Magalang to trim down the lead. Almost a bad pass. David may tanga ng bola binigay kay Manaloto. 3:07 remaining. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Manaloto scores a 1-point game. 1-point game. And the Magalang crowd is alive. 1-point lead. 2:49 remaining the third. Here's the drive-in play. Nice scoop shot. 48-45. The lead is 3 now for APALIT. Manaloto. 15 on the shot. Inside. No. Rebound. APALIT. The lead is 3 points. He's wide open. 3-point shot. No. Mirabel offensive board. He scores. Back to our 5-point game. APALIT. 2:10 to go in the third quarter. Manaloto. Another foul crowd chanting defense. Manaloto. Nothing. Pass break. Nothing will slam it! He will slam it again! He will slam it again! And listen to the squad roar! As Magalang calls one time. Direct, let's take a look. Another dancing slam! Watch Kamalin and enjoy the slam jana! (52-45). We have witnessed Pampanga basketball at its best. Pleasure to cover with you. My name is Ryan Pardo doing the call. Game 5 of 6 of our Delta Cup. Guevara, pamatay sunog sana. Hindi sa kanyang 3-point shot. And now, Danting, the high-flying APALIT guy who has been the focal point of offense. The big guy, Silvestre, lost it. And a steal now for Magalang. Fast break in the works. The littlest guy on the floor, the reverse layup good. Back to a 5-point game para sa APALIT. A minute and 22 remaining in this third quarter. We still have an eternity of basketball ahead of us. 3-point shot by Dizon. Pasok! Pasok! A 3-point shot by Dizon. (55-47). Manaloto on the left wing. Manaloto, binigay. Here's a 3-point shot. Bounces out. Rebound. Silvestre. Oh, sorry. It's the other way around. One-handed shot goes. Dizon. 5-point cluster by APALIT after that timeout. Back to a double-digit spread. 57-47. Manaloto starter step. The drop inside. Tight defense being put up by APALIT, and it's going to be offensive foul. It's going to be offensive foul. Take a look at this. Ayun, si Nico. Offensive foul. Huli ng referee. Kanlapan. And APALIT can sense the energy from the crowd. They're now on a 10-point bulge. Masibag. Pick by Silvestre. Pahinga muna si high flyer ng APALIT at this stage. And we're gonna have a moving pick offensive foul laban kay Perez. Quicking now to Manaloto. Leak up for 3. Wala. Rebound. Put back. Guevara. 5 seconds remaining. The lead is down to 8. Down to 3. Down to 2. Down to 1. That should do it. End of third quarter. The score 57. APALIT 49. Magalang. Let's take a look at this. One of the highlights. I want to see that first slammer jammer. Nakadalawa na siya. And it is a delight and pleasure to see this highlight for you before we call this a quarter and we close the curtains. Here's the shot earlier by Dizon para naman sa Magalang. Okay, mamaya papakita natin yung isa pang taktak niya. But first, we have a quarter break. (57-49). Hope you enjoyed us in this basketball coverage of Delta Cup live sa BREN Convention Center. Ako po muli si Ryan Pajaro. We have witnessed 2 slam dunks in this game. All in one player. Mamaya, mag-appear siya at this game. Oh! May foul. Tinamaan sa ulo. Did you hear the crowd says in APALIT? I'm not gonna say it because hindi natin ito ha. Here's the spin, here's the ball. Boom! Tinamaan sa mata. Leak up. Baseline drive. Manaloto. APALIT on the run again. The quick guys on the floor. They love fast break. Here it comes. Kamla. Leak up steals it. Not quite. Recovered by APALIT. Here's the shot. It goes. Basket by Dizon. The lead is back to 10. High-octane basketball we're seeing here. This is now the 5th game of 6. We'll have one final game after this. We're now in the 4th quarter. Mabilis ang ating laban. Oh! No basket doon. Si number 18 ng Magalang. That's Estrabo. He was called for traveling. And a steal from the inbound. Guevara drops it up. D-Cup scores 2 quick points in just 2 seconds. Almost a botch play. No foul. And the guard of APALIT was called for traveling. Okay, balik na yung ang star of the afternoon ng APALIT. Yan ay si number 12. Siya ang player nakadalawang dakdak. High flying Danting. Got it. Is that a 3? Yes, sir. Lee Cap scores a 3. The lead is down to 5. 59-54. Inside incursion. It's a rebound, a joust, and it's going to be a loose ball foul on Perez. Ngayon ang slow-mo replay shot. Ayun, hinawakan. Hinawakan niya. That's a loose ball foul. The big guy, the big boy, lost it. Nice steal there by Danting, the high flyer. Fast break for APALIT. Here's Perez, high in the sky. Got it. 61-59. The lead is 7. 8:09 remaining in this ball game. Whoop! Tinukod ni Perez. Back-to-back fouls on Perez. (61-54). Inbound. 3-point shot. Wala. Danting, the high flyer. He's now a markman, and it's the last touch. APALIT now on the running gun style. Alley-oop play once again. Second time around. This time Magalang stakes it. The lead is 9 points for APALIT. 63-54. 7:38 remaining in this ball game. The big boy lost it. Here's Danting. Fast break. Looking for it. Nice pump fake. Backs it up to this zone. Butik na naman akong tamaan. Binasa sa akin. Manaloto. Manaloto. Jumper. Nope. The big boy. Nothing. Third effort. Oops, may foul. And now Perez is in foul trouble. He has 4 fouls. 3 straight fouls on Perez in this quarter alone. He had 1 early in the first half. Now he has 4 fouls. Replay natin. Okay, tingnan natin to. After the rebound from the box out, ayun, binangga niya si David. Basket may Magalang, chops down the lead to just 6 after that slow-mo replay. 7 na lang ang hinahabol ng Magalang. Silvestre opposite the pick. And that's a moving pick. Offensive foul, Silvestre. The referee is now calling it tight because of this very, very precarious situation. Manaloto. Manaloto sidestep. Oh, a technical foul on big boy Dizon. So it's a technical foul on big boy Dizon for the excessive use of elbow. Tingnan natin yung nangyari. Ito, nagkagilian siya. Look at the top of the box. Ayun. May konting siko, may konting ginagawa. Sige, tuloy mo lang direct. At tinawagan na ng technical. Direct, one more time for Commissioner Leo Sac. One more time. Let's replay this one. One more time, please. Ayan, tingnan natin. Here's the play. Here's the low post play. Nagkakirian si Dizon. Ooh, elbow. Excessive elbow. Kitang-kita. Thank you daw, sabi ni Coach Leo. So, that's a technical foul by Dizon for the excessive use of elbow. That's the right call of the referee. So, kaya siya technical free throw now for APALIT. Wala. The lead of APALIT is 7. .6:34 to go. Likap. Thought about it. Manaloto, baseline drive. Misses. Fast break for APALIT. It won't happen. Counter steal. Likap drops it up. Manaloto scores the basket. The lead is down to 5 points. 63-58. 6:15 remaining. All right. Here's the drive. There's a foul. .63-58. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Yung huling foul, yung huling atake ni Perez. Nice crossover. He drives it hard. Hinabol. Ayun ang foul ni David. And APALIT, being a running team, now beginning to miss free throws because of exhaustion. Meron pa tayong 6 minutes remaining. Split. 64-58. Likap now. Siya nagdadala ng trangko. Here's the lob pass. That's too high. Turnover. APALIT muli may tangan. Here's Danting. Great strip job by Likap, ha? Manaloto will challenge Danting. Manaloto will not score. There's gonna be a foul on Danting. Ito, tingnan natin yung replay nito. Humabol doon si Danting. May foul, no? On that last fast break play. Tingnan natin. Let's roll it. Here's the drive. Ayun! Sumabit sa kamay. Kitang-kita. Foul on Danting. That's his only his second personal foul, actually. At even si Manaloto, medyo nahirapan na sa pito. Dahil pareho itong pagod. Itong team na to. Itong dalawang team na to. Yung isa up and down. Yung isa rugged. Manaloto missed both. But the lead is a precarious 6 points for APALIT. Halfway point na tayo sa laro. 5.5 minutes. 3-point shot. Wala. Para kay Danting. Perez. Short. Manalang. No. 3 offensive rebounds. Went down the drain for APALIT. Na chance para sa Magalang. Likap. His dribble went broke but still managed to get it up. Wala. Put back inside the bid. Wala pa rin. High na rebound. Back to the win. Manaloto, starter step, drives on, lost it, puts it up, no. And the ball will stay with the white shirts. Likap stumble upon, there's going to be a foul. Bodies flying all over the floor. Let's see it again. Oh yeah, foul. Alright, free throws now for Magalang. This is just a 6-point game. Chops down to 5. We have one more game to play dito sa Delta Cup Sunday. Hope you enjoyed us. Oh! The ball rims out. 3 times on the cylinder. Like a motorcycle in a motor dome. Lead is 5, 64-59, 15 to shoot. APALIT now with the possession. Ito yung screen. Oy, libre! Kaliwang kanto, wala. Put back. Ayaw pa rin. One more serving for APALIT. It goes! It goes! Nicely done. Manaloto was fouled. And let's see this last bit of action in slow-mo. Great presence of mind. Mas malaki ang bantay. Nabagok sa ulo. Foul counted. And now the big boy is back in the game. Bonus free throw. In and out. Put back. Wala pa rin. Wow! 4-point play! 4-point play! Nobody backs him out.
9-point ball game. Para sa APALIT. One-handed shot by David. Got it. 3 is back to 7. 4 minutes remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Standby lang kayo. Magiging climactic finish to as expected. This is just game 5 of 6. Meron pa tayong isang game after this. Perez. No. Pitch. Eksakto. No home run. Tip in. Ayaw pa rin. One more serving. That's an abrupt shot clock. That counts. That is counted. That is counted dahil nagkaroon lang ng shot clock malfunction. That shot will count. That shot will count. Yan ang signal ni referee Patag. That shot is counted. That shot will count. Meron tayong timeout sa APALIT with 3:40 remaining. We'll be right back. 3 minutes and 40 remaining in this ball game. In my observation, this Delta Cup keeps getting better and better, bigger and bigger, strong and stronger, and more exciting games ahead of us. Time remaining, 3 and 30. Score, Magalang 63, APALIT 68. Baseline jumper. It's no good. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng APALIT. Against the big boy. Jump shot. It's not there. Rebound. Last touch on yellow. White ball daw, sabi ni referee. It will be APALIT. That will be Magalang rather. Manaloto, siya nagdadala ng trangko para sa Magalang. Manaloto. Leak up 3. Wala. Gets it right back. Drops it up. Last touch ni Manalang. O ni Magalang. And the ball will go to Magalang. Shot clock now at 13 seconds. Nice pass. There is a foul. Yes, it is a foul. Good call by referee Patawag. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Yung huling inbound na yon na nagresulta sa foul. Here's it. Oh, great camera angle. Talagang foul. Kitang-kita in broad daylight. 2 free throws now. No. One more free throw. Yes. 64-68. APALIT with a 4-point advantage. Time remaining 2 minutes and 55. We're going to have a wild wind up of this 5th of 6 game. Almost bottled up. Jump shot. It does not go. Put back. No. Magalang has a chance to trim down this lead. David safely crosses the 8-second line. Almost a backcourt violation. The big boy will drive. No. That's a foul. Big boy almost making that basket. Let's see that again. Look at that lusot. Anong luksin yung galaw na yun ni Big Boy At yun, resulta ng foul. Magalang owning his 13th foul. APALIT is wedding penalty. Pero yung guard na yun ng Magalang has already collected his 5th personal foul. It's 5 fouls now. Manaloto, yes. Manaloto has fouled out of the game. So the coach has 1 minute to seek a replacement for Malaloto, who's now in exile with 5 fouls, and it's going to be number 21 of Magalang. APALIT with a 4-point lead. That lead is not safe. I'm going to stand. Game is going to be a wild lineup. All right. From the corner. Shot clock now a problem. 10 seconds. 3-point shot. Short. Rebound the bid. We're now approaching the twilight zone of this game. The hook shot. It goes for the win. We're down to the last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Molten, the official ball of Delta Cup. 68-66. APALIT now with a 2-point lead. He brings up the basketball. Posisyonan si Magalang Kalapan. He is now the other guard. He's swinging the one on the right wing. Now top of the box. The lob pass inside. There's a foul. Who has heart? Who will have endurance? And who will have an ounce of energy left? Very, very closely fought encounter. Take a look at this last bit of action slow-mo. High the sky play, didn't drop. 2 free throws. First, it's good. And they point a gun literally to Magalang. Second free throw. It's good. It says quiet. 70-66. 4-point lead for APALIT. Magalang now sa basketball. Here's Pangilinan bringing down the ladder. On top of the KO area, a minute and 32. There's a double pick for APALIT. He goes left. Here it comes. Shot clock winding down at 12. Here's the shot by David. No good. Battle for the rebound. APALIT has it. They have a 4-point lead. They have a lot of time on the shot clock. They can waste away the time. Here's Danting. Danting drives hard. Danting was blocked. Here's the rebound. Manuel with a stick back. Magalang calls for time. What a stick back by Manuel.